Yet another earnings catalyst coming up in here for another stock this week. We're looking at Snap here on the weekly chart. You can see that we've been playing with this 9-day EMA right here. That's going to be that blue line. That's currently trading at 790. That's going to be our first area that we have to breach and hold before we're on looking into these upper 80s right here. So, or I guess the upper 8. So 887 is going to be the major resistance in here. If we can breach and hold that 9-day EMA, we have about $1 expected move priced in by this Friday off of that earnings catalyst coming in on an IV rank sitting at 53. So that definitely is going to be in play for us. If we can get a breach and a hold of this off an earnings play going into the following few trading sessions this week after that earnings catalyst, then our next big area is going to be this 1050 up here. You can see that was a nice spot for us to kind of bounce our head off of in July. And it was also a great support here for us for about 3 or 4 months or so, as far back as last year going into the beginning of this new year. So those are kind of the levels we're looking at on the upside. To the downside, in here 750 is going to be a good support for us. Anything below there, this lower trend line, that's going to be trading right at that 698. Basically, we're going to chalk it up to that $7 psych level. Dollar expected move on IV rank sitting at 53, like we already mentioned. $1.15 the following, go all the way out to November monthlies right around $1.30. So not a whole lot of expected moves priced in the next few weeks after the earnings catalyst. So we're going to see what kind of push, what kind of IV we can get in here for Snap. But if not, it looks like we're going to be trading in between those $7 and those $8 ranges for a little bit longer if we can't get a huge push in here off these earnings. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.